Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a custom item similar to the ones that I have in my plugin. You can submit these in the ideas channel if you plan on trying to submit something. I'd prefer if you do it this way. It gives me a clear idea on what I'm going to be making. So I'm going to first I'll show you how you can make materials. So let's just do some kind of creeper item. I guess this. So you want to have the plugin installed called ItemEdit. I'll link that in the description. And it pretty much allows you to edit the lore of items, the name of items, attributes, leather color. Actually, let's actually grab a leather chest plate, or we'll make a full set. Why not? So let's just call this rename, and you can use color codes. I'll link that as well in the description. How the color codes that there are. There's a site for that. Let's just make this a epic or a rare armor set, and we're gonna call it creeper helmet. Alright. We just do the same to all these leggings and boots. Alright. And then we want to dye the chest plate greenish, but we're not gonna make it super green. So we're gonna do leather color, and it's going to be an RGB. So let's do something like 20, 20, 100. Oh, whoops. 20, 120. It needs to be a bit brighter. So 200. It's too bright now. So we can go probably lower this to 160. And obviously you can use a color picker as well, which allows you to directly pick the colors. Maybe 280, or 80, 280. Yeah, that's good. It looks a bit slime colored, but I think it looks good. So that fits I think that fits the theme. And then obviously we don't want to have these attributes here, right? Obviously you can just add attributes if you want to using /ie attribute. But what we're going to do is we're going to do /ie hide all to these pieces. Obviously, if you want to show enchants, you can enable enchants. We're going to do the same thing for this one too. And then for this one, you can obviously either do IE enchant, but if you're using a plugin like Essentials, you're going to be able to just /enchant, and you're able to do it on illegal item stacks. But in this case, I'm just going to enchant it with Mending 1. And now we got a glowing piece of TNT, and we're going to go call it. We're going to make it an uncommon resource called a creeper core. Right? Now let's get on to lore. Right? So what you got to do is you just do /lore. You can add, set, reset, whichever. In this case, we're just going to add empty lore. Just going to add an empty line right there. And then we're going to want to add the rarity material. Right. And that's our creeper core. Simple as that. Next, let's go do our creeper helmet. Right. So let's just give our creeper. Oops. Let's go give our creeper helmet something like I don't know. We'll give it some defense. We'll give it 50 or 50, 40, 70, 80. We'll do it by that. So, and we'll do health first. So we'll give it 3 health per piece. And 7 health. And C plus 3. And then we'll do defense and C plus 50. And this one will be 80. 70, and 40. There we go. And then let's go make it, let's just add a empty line of lore, and then we'll add a full set bonus. Full set bonus, explode. And we'll do it on shift, well, shift left click, why not? And E and L, shift left click. Okay. Just apply this on all of our items. And then, oops, and we can, here's a good example. We can do /set 3 to nothing. Right, and then that just sets it to nothing. And then now we can add it. Okay, let's just say we're going to make it deal 20 damage to all entities within, or it'll create an explosion and deal, I don't know, or it won't be, we're not doing magic damage, but you can do magic damage if you would like to. In this case, it's just going to create an explosion at the location of the player and deal half of your health. Because we can make it, because I can program it so that you don't take damage from explosions. So, lore add, and we're going to do and 7, create an explosion at your location, dealing damage to all entities within, dealing damage, okay, oh, that's a bit too much, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we're going to set 5 to be dealing damage to all nearby entities as well as, oops, no, not what I meant to do, as well as dealing five damage to yourself. Man, that's a long description. And I should probably make it so that nearby entities is green. So let's do that. To all and A and 7. And I'll probably highlight explosion as well. And A. Maybe it should be and C. No, I think it's and A. And we'll do set 6. And then we'll do the 5 damage to yourself. And then we're going to add a cooldown to it, which will just do something like 10 seconds. And 8 cooldown, and A, 10s. And then we're going to add an empty item here, 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 here. And then we will add it's a uncommon or a rare set, so we're going to do rare helmet, rare chest plate, rare leggings, and rare boots. Alright, so now we have our armor set, and obviously, if you want to make it so that, if you want to like show crafting recipes or something, let's just say we do this, then you can just take a screenshot of this area, and then you can say, oh yeah, this is this. I don't need you guys to set up custom recipes. I can do it just from that. But yeah, this is pretty much all it is. This there's some other things like you can set the durability. Like if you wanted to make it actually functionable or something, you can set it unbreakable and add some like actual armor to it using attributes. Um, you can also do something like this. Don't know why you do that, but maybe you want a legal item stack. Um, you know, yeah, but that's all there is to it. I'm looking forward to some interesting suggestions. Yeah, thanks for watching.